Today, I'll show you how to remove password in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file that has the password. If Acrobat asks for the password, enter it first. You need to know the correct password before you can remove it. Once the PDF is open, go to the top menu and click File, then choose Properties. In the Document Properties window, click the Security tab. Now look for Security Method. If the PDF is protected, it may say Password Security. Click the drop-down menu next to Security Method. Choose No Security. Adobe Acrobat may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the password. Click OK. It may also ask you to enter the password again to confirm the change. Enter the password and continue. Now click OK to close the Properties window. After that, save the PDF. Click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original protected version, choose Save, As instead, and save a new copy without the password. Now close the file and open it again to test it. If the password was removed correctly, the PDF should open without asking for a password. If you cannot choose No Security, or if the option is locked, the file may have restrictions that require the owner password. In that case, you need permission from the person who created or protected the PDF. Also remember that some password and security features may require Adobe Acrobat Pro, not just the free Acrobat Reader. So, to keep it simple, open the PDF, enter the password, go to File, then Properties, open the Security tab, change Security Method to No Security, confirm, and save the file. And that's how you remove password in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.